Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to get an ExpressVPN 30-day free trial. Alright, so technically ExpressVPN doesn't have a free trial, but if you don't like ExpressVPN you can cancel your subscription in the first 30 days and get your money back. And all you have to do is use the link in the description below, and then you're going to be able to click on start your trial today. The second reason to use the link in the description below is because by default, if you want to buy ExpressVPN, the best deal is the 12 months plan for $832 USD. But if you use the link in the description below, you will arrive at this page, and if you click on start your trial today, as you can see, you will also get 3 months for free. So you can save a ton of money using the link that I have added in the description below. So you're going to be able to save some money on your ExpressVPN plan. Then if you want to get a free trial, all you have to do is add your email address here, then select the payment method, add your credit or debit card details, and then click on join now. So once you added your credit card details, just click on join now here. As you can see, they are currently processing our payment. And now, as you can see, we have successfully signed up for the ExpressVPN free trial. As I mentioned, if you don't like the service, you can just cancel your subscription within 30 days and get your money back.